Hello, my beautiful fart faces. Today I have a special unboxing from Oraloa. Oraloa, it is my Hannah Lynn. I'm so excited to open it up. Before we get started though, if you're new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and stab the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis. So this kit, I didn't actually pre-order, like they had Hannah Lynn's kits for pre-order, but I actually bought it after it was released. I bought it last week and then I received it yesterday. So it was basically a week in shipping. So that's really quick. I'm very excited about this. I love doing Hannah Lynn work. Hannah Lynn canvases. Where's the thing? Okay, so I ended up getting this one. Heart on Her Sleeve by Hannah Lynn. It measures 47 by 66 centimeters. And it is, ooh, there's a little piece of cardboard in there. It is a round diamond painting. Let's open up this baby. I love how on the end of the boxes they have this, so that if you're storing it like this, or on a shelf like that, you can actually see really easily what's inside or which painting it is. Gonna need the deli machete again. Don't stab myself. Okay, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see. I really like this image. I also have, oh, which one do I have? I have another one on the way. Oraloa is sending me another one. So just for disclosure, I am an Oraloa ambassador, meaning that I get free things from the company. I do have a code if you want to order from them to save 15% off. You can use code bevbeecrafts. All the information will be in the link down below. But I will give you my honest opinion. So let's take a look-see. So here we go. We have the drills. Look at those ABs already. I already see 3 ABs, at least 3, 4, 5 ABs. What? Okay. These are the drills. I like how they come pre-packed. Even though I don't kit up in baggies, like I just put them into containers. Some people do like using baggies to when they diamond paint, so that's good for those peeps. And here we have my canvas. Ooh, here we have a toolkit. If you've never ordered from Oraloa, the toolkit includes a little bit of a tight fit. So tight. Get it out of this tight bag. Okay, there we go. I don't know how they even fit these in this bag, but whoop, we made a little messy. Here is a white tray. You get a little jar of blue wax. You get 3 things of blue wax. I really like blue wax. If you've never used blue wax, I highly suggest trying it. You get tweezers. Even though this is a round diamond painting, you still get tweezers, which is pretty neat. A pen with a 4-placer. A 6-placer. I don't know how many places this is. And you get a squishy. And let's take a look-see. There should be another sheet in here. Yes, here's the sheet that has instructions on how to diamond paint. One side is English, the other side is French, because they are based in France. And then you get this new, this is new to Oraloa. You get a sticker sheet. So this whole thing is a sticker. And here's a little thumbnail again of what we have, what Hannah Lynn image we're doing. These are stickers. Can you peel these? No. But you could technically, if you really like these images, you could like cut them out and use them as stickers to decorate something. Or you can just cut this and put it in your logbook. And then these are all pre-cut. So these are all just labels for your containers, or you can use them for your baggies. And there's the schematic. And then here we just have Oraloa with their, I think that's their Instagram. So yeah, this is really handy for kitting up. I really like that they've included this in their new kits. Now let's roll, well, let's take a look at this. Let me just, so it does look like there are some creases in the canvas, but it looks like they're like more, not creases, they're more just like air bubbles. So we will see what we can do about those. So you can see them, but I think they're just air bubbles. Because literally, let's see. So here's our canvas. And then, wow, the top film is very thick. Like, that's new too. We'll roll it halfway. Let that air out. And we'll roll this side. Let the air out again. And those air bubbles are gone. So this is a beautiful canvas. I love her tattoo that says "Love Me." I think it's so cute. It says Hannah Lynn at the bottom. Here's the measurements. Then at the top we have Oraloa. On the left we have the schematic, and on the right we have the thumbnail. And on the bottom right we have the schematic again, which is helpful. So let's take a look at the schematic. So here we have V, but it's a dark letter on top of a dark color, and O is the same way. So we'll have to look at those. And here's the ABs. So we have 2, 4, 6 ABs. So let's take a look and see where V is on the canvas to see if it's easy to see. So V is in her hair. From like just looking at it, just like with the plain eye, I don't think that it will be too tough to see, but I wish that the V and the J's were printed on, or yeah, the V and the J's were printed with white, because it is dark on a dark background. But like, it will be a little bit of a struggle, but not terrible. So yeah, I would just recommend Oraloa to change the J and the V's to white font. Here's the detail in her face. Here's her tattoo details. Okay, so let's take a look at, ooh, wait, let's look at this too. I want to see, there's like a bottle in her hair or something like that. A little love note. Yeah, I could just see, like, from the naked eye, V and J isn't like that difficult to see. It's a lot easier to see on the camera, but I would highly suggest changing that to white again. Okay, so let's take a look at the drills. So we'll take a look at the ABs. I'm not going to pull out all of the drills because I will have trouble putting them back in, and I don't usually do a drill train. We usually just look at the special drills. On the end here we have our pile of, oh my goodness, that is a lot of ABs. Okay, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of black ABs, 3 10s. That's crazy. And then we have these. This is really cute. Pinks, or salmony pink, orange, blue, and we have like a white. So those are our ABs. Let's take a look and see where these all go. This is a crazy amount of black though. I don't think I've ever done a kit with this many black ABs. And black ABs, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that 310 ABs are my favorite ABs just because I think they're so pretty. Okay. So we'll look to see where these ABs go. First is this black. Okay, whoa. So those black ABs are going to go all in here, and all the black you see on the canvas, pretty much like all this outline in her face, all in her hair, that's where that black AB is going to go. That's crazy. No wonder they included so much. And then the pink one, number 34, is like a swirly thing. It's going to go here. There's some here. There's a couple here. There's some in her face. There's some there. One there. There's a whole bunch in the heart. Some in the heart. Yeah, so that's where that pink will go. And then we have like the next pink, which is the A. So that A is going to go in the same spots as the other one that we just looked at. So basically wherever you see pink, I believe there's going to be that AB. And then F. F is going to be in here, 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 at the top there. Oops, you can't see. At the top here, and in the letter here. So that's where all the F's are going. And then lastly, we have the check mark, which is the white AB. Where is that going? That AB is going to go in her eyes. And some in the background over here. And that's about it. So I really like this canvas. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the whole outline of her being AB, like all the black being an AB? Do you like black as an AB? Let me know. I know some people are like, I don't like black ABs because it turns up looking like multicolor or something like that. But let me know in the comments down below. Again, I am an ambassador for Oraloa. If you want to use my code, it's bevbeecrafts and you can save 15% off. I will have a link down below to this canvas and information on how you can use my ambassador code. I don't get anything. Basically, if you use my code, it just shows Oraloa that I'm influential. I'm influential. So I will talk to you guys in my next video. And if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a daily basis. Okay, bye.